Miss Sikan Ikbe, and I'm just going to present my Paw Heart solution as a PowerUp program student, as this is part of my requirement for graduation. So this is my environment, and I have 12 resources here. The first one, which is tables on my Dataverse. I have my animal tables here, which I imported the data provided. I have my animal shelter name, date of birth, forever story, and I can also get more from here, more columns. I can tweak my columns the way I want to see them from here. Okay. Then I also have my forms and views, active details. There you go. Can go back. The next table is foster family table. I have my foster ID. Let me expand this. Foster claimer name, local shelter, foster location, join date, and I also have the next table, shelter information, which will feature shelter ID, shelter name, shelter location, shelter management. So I also have a couple of relationships I've been able to create between them. For instance, I have a lookup. Where is it? Okay, so there's a lookup for foster family. So a table relationship between local shelter and foster family, and there's one that exists between the animal details and the foster and shelter. Let's click on relationship. I have to filter this by my publisher name. So we have pet initial shelter. There's a lookup, foster family lookup table, or column rather. Okay, so let me get back. The next requirement was to create a model-driven application as well as Canvas application. So I'm going to go straight to the model-driven application first to show how it works. So sorry about this sluggish loading of my page. The network is not too nice this evening. Okay, so this is my model-driven application that is based on the data provided, which I see this as the back end of this low-code application development, while the Canvas is more like the front end. We have the UI UX. So we have, based on the microchip, we could select our animals by lead, and if we should play this. So you can also select based on foster claimer, and we also have the opportunity to add new record. You can type and search and all of that. Let's go back. For the animal details, you can also add new record. And so I added something very interesting. I call it business process flow, that will help us guide whoever a staff that is working here to be able to know what to do first. Maybe if it's a new staff, they will be able to know what comes first. So animal information first, then shelter details, which this is a lookup column here. Shelter details, then the veterinary details and all of that. and finally the foster home. So the person will be well guided and knows what to do. I didn't really want to copy, just something random. Female, just save that and close. Okay, so that is it for. Then the next one was supposed to be my Canvas application. Okay, so go back. Canvas application. This is my Canvas application I'm trying to load. So Canvas application was featuring, I wrote the requirements down. So the ability to select an animal, enter foster family information, and update the status to claim for foster on check of a button. So we have, let's play this. So I have the home screen, I also have the foster screen. So let's play this. You can go back. Okay, so I can select, I can choose to claim, let me say Harry Sammy wants to claim, and he lives in hometown. For instance, let me just say New York, just a dummy address. Join dates. Okay, this is automatically generated, so I click submit. So I should get a record successful notification, and now we have number of animals available is 7, animals ready for foster is 1. So the action I just performed now, can go back. The action I just performed now will be having an automation process take place. So I'll just quickly move to that. Let's see what happened. I use Harry, so let's see if there will be an email that shows that such action was. Let me go back to my Outlook. I'm trying to make sure I don't spend so much time on this. Okay, so we have our notification here because of the automation I did. So hi Harry, Sammy, we're happy to inform you that your animal is ready for foster, name Gizmo and all of that, animal shelter team. So let's head to where we had that. I'm just going to leave this. So the cloud flow. So we can see our success report on just, okay, yes, so this is April 27th, our 144. So it was successful. All the flows have been running are successful. So the next thing is our Power BI. So this is my landing page, and it's very interesting because it's my first time getting into this Power platform, and I'm very happy that I'm able to do something like this, and I look forward to learning more and gaining more experiences. So I have I can toggle this based on the field I want. Available animals, we have 1 animal rescued in shelter, 239. I'm still designing this, but I want to make sure I don't get late in submitting my challenge. It wasn't easy, but I'm happy I was able to get to this point. These were calculated columns based on the shelter name and the month rescued, so I could drill through and see what happens. Okay, so yeah, so this is how far I was able to come along on this. So I'm grateful. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to a review. All right, so here you go. Thank you.